Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today's video is about some of the stylish electric ride-on cars for kids to drive. Please like and subscribe our channel. Let's get into this video. Mercedes-Benz FT 998. This ride-on car have many great features such as key start, which give kids a realistic feeling of starting their car with key ignition system. It starts with a start sports car sound. Ride-on car is loaded with 12 volts double battery and twin motors. It is suitable for kids of age 2 to 8 years and can carry weight up to 45 kgs. This car can be run on roads pavements. FT 998 car works in both ways. Kid can ride it manually and parents can also control it by remote. With non-slip tires, ultra-wide tires, not easy to slip, baby can ride more smoothly and safely. Safety handle, non-slip handle, size is suitable for baby's palm. Steering angle is small, no need to worry about baby rolling over. Supports MP3 and mobile phones play music. With volume control function, you can adjust the volume of music. Lamborghini Aventador SV model. Lamborghini Aventador SV model is a car with wing doors that opens like a butterfly. The remote control is a big advantage as an adult. This means that the control is complete until the child has learned to control the car. With a button you decide if you are the one who controls the car with the remote control or if the child is self-driving. The model has a driving lens and an MP3 input, so the child can listen to his favorite music. Smart electric car. This car has a push-button start operation without key and flexibly retractable accelerator pedal work to bring your child into the simple driving experience. The wide pedal brings the real experience of stepping on the accelerator. With the gear switch of forward, stop and reverse, children can control the car at their own will. It has a feature of double motor drive, that is, each rear wheel has one motor and they provide power at the same time, making the car faster. The soft start mechanism set for more protection, steady acceleration serves to prevent the children from sudden fright. It also has parental remote control function for sharing fun with your kids, and you can take the control of the car if required remotely. You can set speed according to your baby age to prevent your baby from scare of driving fast. In case of emergency when driving, the emergency brake system will work as long as pressing the brake button on the remote control. The doors are equipped with safety lock for the convenience of children getting on and off. It has a portable handle so that it can be carried by hand when going out, walking downstairs and failing to use it in case of emergency. Ferrari sports car. This stylish sports car has a two-seater option and has double-open hydraulic butterfly wing door. It provides 2.4G remote control, hence parent-child interaction is more joyful. Has multifunction central control platform. Also equipped with one-button start and air outlet. It supports mobile phones, U-Disc, iPad, Bluetooth and other connected vehicles. This supercar has a mechanical shock absorber spring design making baby driving more stable. With intelligent soft start chip, the startup will be slow without frightening the child. The handle helps to easily drag and drop the car to the home easily. Electrac Go-Kart TL5388. Great performance, designed for multi-terrain, no problem running on desert, carpet, tile, open road, grass, puddle, mud, etc. Suitable for age 2 to 8 years. High quality durable plastic combines with large weight capacity. So safe and exciting car can bring you real driving experience. Be sure to dry and clean your vehicle immediately afterwards to maximize your long-term performance. Front and back advanced suspension shockproof system adopted with a helical spring with high resilience for each wheel, which creates an impressive damping effect and a more steady drive, can prevent damages caused by the vibration effectively. A very creative toy for your kids to play and improve their hands-on ability and imagination capacity. BMW RBT 518. This car is made of environmentally friendly materials, safe and non-polluting, and will not harm children. This car has an independent swing function, multifunctional 2.4G 1-to-1 Bluetooth remote control. With educational function, it can tell stories and sing. With USB socket, MP3 port can be plugged into USB, TF, aux. It has features like large battery, double drive, super power, 4-wheel suspension and stable driving. Other features include one-button start, double doors and slow start function. This car has a cool look and bright colors, very suitable as a gift for children. This product has 2 modes of operation, either the child can drive freely or parents can remotely control the car when your kid's in it and keep your child safe. Mercedes-Benz G65. This licensed Mercedes-Benz G65 12 volts electric ride-on car for ages 3 to 8 years is a true eye-catcher and is a replica of the real thing. It includes a parental remote control so that you can control the car until your child gains enough driving confidence. It can also be driven independently via the foot pedal accelerator. The electric car has 3 gears. 2 to drive forward at different speeds and 1 to reverse. At a max speed of 5 km per hour, you can be ensured that your child will have a great time. It is equipped with both MP3 and USB input so you can listen to your favorite music while driving. The electric car has fun sound and light features for an authentic driving experience. A cool electric car with many exciting details and features. BDQ 1588 Porsche. Porsche 12 volts electric ride-on is a kid's car with remote control. In the mobile phone you can download the app to remote control the car. It has 6 volts 4.5 a dual battery which provides strong battery life. The cruising range is about 3 to 5 kilometers and the usage time is about 2 hours. It has multi-function remote control, music control, acceleration and deceleration, braking, foreground retreat, remote control priority which is safe to play with ease. Built-in tie rods. In case of unexpected needs, there are folding tie rods under the front of the car, and 2 folding wheels at the rear. It is more labor-saving to unfold when there is no electricity and pull away like a suitcase. The mirror can be folded for convenient storage and carrying. It supports U-Disc music playback. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please comment and give a thumbs up. Also please don't forget to subscribe and click the bell button to get more interesting videos. Thanks for watching.